You listen
I love this.
I need my pen.
No, I need a pen for this. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. They have no idea what kind of video they're going to be doing, but you guys already know this. I've been wanting to do a part 2. I don't know if you see my face. But yeah, before I don't remember what I was going to say a while ago, but we're going to be doing a Jamaican Guess the Riddle part 2. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, first riddle. Riddle me this, riddle me that. If 3 sevens is 21, how much is 7 trees?
No. 7.
A forest.
7.
Rochelle, more forget it. It's a small woodland. Really, I can't No.
Type of trees. Either 7 trees or a small woodland. Anyway, you want to call it.
Next one. Riddle me this, riddle me that. Green as grass, makalaka.
Sakalaka.
You want to makalaka?
Green as grass, makalaka.
Sakalaka.
So what's up?
Green as grass and what?
Makalaka. Oh.
Green as grass,
We find them
makalaka.
some young man.
Next one. Riddle me this, riddle me that. You never want it, but when you get it, you take such good care of it. What am I?
Life.
Oh.
Almost life.
Sore foot.
What? So take care of...
Yeah, you never want it, so you get it to take good care of it.
What?
We'll make sure I go in depth with the riddle them, because we just never want the easy one them. So guys, not only, I don't know most of these as well, so you guys will be learning them. So yeah, we are learning as we go. Next one. Riddle me this, riddle me that. Going to town or coming to town, my face still turn to town. What am I?
Moon. Stop it for me, sir.
I just see if you can think of nothing else.
Going to town, coming to town.
I saw that
Bus.
a point
Bus.
I have
Yeah,
still
look
face
panda,
in town.
Tree.
Tree has no face.
I feel turned today.
Next one, riddle me this, riddle me that. Which 2 letters of the alphabet are never sick?
Okay.
Yeah, correct.
Shit, I know me and Brittany get one.
Are you on I did right down there?
Yeah.
Riddle me this, riddle me that. Room full, all full, cannot get a spoonful.
Because I can't. Hey,
I feel done.
Yeah, in.
It have a sense.
So repeat again.
Room full,
Room full, all full, cannot get a spoonful.
Courage.
I have a scent.
It have a sense.
Can I get a spoonful?
Center on it.
Pollution.
You want a spoonful of pollution?
And no pollution are the answer. I just say, is that it me a go now?
Rain.
Spoonful.
Contamination.
Smoke.
I think, boy, me never say when me fit. Sure.
Smoke last.
Me and Ed not even near none of them answer.
I smoke come to the mind, but me I say.
Next one. 1 slice of yam served for the whole world. What am I?
1 slice of yam.
Served for the whole world.
Sun.
You're close.
Moon.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, man.
Riddle me this, riddle me that. All doctors go to university except this one.
Oh, Jesus. Jesus is our first
Marlene.
doctor.
Hint of something I have to do with one of Jamaican symbol.
Oh, the bird, Dr. Bird.
Dr. Bird.
Finally get one. Love that.
Love that feel. Yeah.
Yeah, so Dr.
Oh, great.
Bird. If you start give hints, you must give
Next
hints.
one. An airplane left Kingston for Montego Bay but crashed near Ocharius. Where did they bury the survivors?
You can't be a survivor.
Correct.
Period.
Do that. Back come for you now, chef. Back come for you too, my God.
Next one. Riddle me this, riddle me that. Sweet water standing up. What is it?
Cane.
Correct.
Get it, you're wrong. You're not getting it.
Cause for 4 of them here come for you.
Good girl.
Son, riddle me this, riddle me that. I can travel from there to here by disappearing and from here to there by reappearing. What
We
is
can
it?
travel.
Oh, you say it with confidence.
Work and travel.
I'm fed up. Really and truly fed up. You know what? You're back over. I don't know. I can travel from there to here by disappearing and from here to there by reappearing. What is it?
Here?
And that was the first, no?
Yeah, disappear and reappear and yeah, travel.
Leave first. Leave.
You wanna give up?
You give a pressure.
Yeah, coming on.
Rain.
The letter T. From here to there and from there to here. The T.
Alright, we get that. I read that.
Riddle me this, riddle me that. What happens 1 time in a minute, 2 times in a week, and 1 time in a year?
E.
Correct.
Yeah.
So you look for me for.
Me time now.
Riddle me this, riddle me that. Gravel at top, gravel at bottom. Tell the devil say me a come. What am I?
Puru.
What are we here? Put the full of gravel.
Travel.
Yala top and yala bottom.
Gravel at top, gravel at bottom.
Oh.
Tell the devil say me a come.
Qu'est-ce que
I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna give up.
Well, no. Burial. You put gravel at top.
Done.
I'm gonna give up.
Me give up.
River. The one that me did just curious how it should be river, cause we still not get
Tell the
it.
devil set me
But
up.
probably pan bank or something, I don't know.
I can't find him.
But that is the answer. Next, riddle me this, riddle me that. Bust my head, my white flesh show, and my blood flow. What am I?
Bust my head.
Bust my head, my
What?
white flesh show.
Apple.
Say, I never hear.
Coconut.
Yeah, dry
Love
coconut.
that.
What you say about that?
And the flesh. And the
She don't
flesh.
get
me-
Bust
Ready.
my head, my white flesh show,
white flesh.
and my blood flow.
Which are the what? Coconut water.
Hey, move from some man.
Riddle me this, riddle me that. What police and train do every day?
Police and train.
Cheers.
Our train.
The chocolate.
Our train. do.
What police and train do every day?
First of all, our train.
What int? Where them have to go?
Station.
Remember from station to station.
Hey, we'll
every
find out
day.
here. That is, I love that. I love that.
Riddle me this, riddle me that. Which finger you eat and then lick your finger?
Finger eat and then lick it.
Hey,
Chicken
Finger.
finger.
Oh.
Chicken finger. Which
Go
finger?
down to my provisions, then my love.
Chicken foot.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
You got provision.
Yes, stop
Look
putting
at the finger. Banana.
banana finger.
Finger
yeah.
banana. Next one. Riddle me this, riddle me that. I belong to somebody. I not have no life, but I moving and walking. What am I? I belong to somebody. I
Teddy
not
bear?
have no life.
You
I'm
tell me
moving.
them what?
Moving and walking. What am I?
And
Who am
walking.
I?
Dali.
Come again.
No, Dali, them a make Dali know for walk, so.
Belong to somebody.
I
Dog.
belong to somebody. I not have no life,
I care.
but I moving
But
and
can't walk.
walking. You're the next one. I give up.
Belong
Yeah.
to somebody in a walk.
Your
Oh.
shadow.
Hey, move from some of them then, man. Man, no say that.
Riddle me this, riddle me that. Legs me have, but I cannot walk.
Table man.
Table or chair. Right, let's go. Next one.
No.
Riddle me this, riddle me that.
Then
I meet a man who have button all over him body. Who am I?
But no man.
Button. button all over my body.
You meet the man? Wait, so another
My
person.
meet
with the
a
button.
man we have button all over him body.
So another person with the button. And the person who meet the man.
No man, the person who have the button
Is that fruit?
is a fruit.
What have button all over your body? What fruit have button all over it?
I know sweets up.
So what's up?
Jackfruit.
Can give her in but it's a kind of unfair. My favorite fruit.
And give me from me so with that pine.
Pineapple full of base in panny.
Pine.
Stop pineapple?
Yeah. Next, riddle me this, riddle me that. Prime Minister, Doctor, Governor General, which one wears the biggest hat?
Hey,
Prime Minister.
Go sit down with them then, man. You know, sit.
No, you know, say this kind of general knowledge like think.
No, go again. Prime Minister.
Prime Minister, Doctor, Governor General, which one wear the biggest hat?
No, we're.
Don't think too in depth in it. Just think as how you know that
The
thing.
doctor.
No, we're at. And what did them
Don't want
Am I
to
give
do
up?
things to
Can not think too deep.
And what did them ask
the
them?
Governor General.
I'm expect Britney to have this, you know. The one with the biggest head.
Hey, move from the
Andrew.
man.
God have mercy.
Andrew egg this.
Last but not least, riddle. Riddle me this, riddle me that. You eat the fruit, but sometimes it get violent. What am
Oh, wow,
I?
say that can't
Almost
say.
poop.
I don't make it.
First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Oh, Mr. Fruit, real fruit.
So the forbidden fruit.
Hello.
I'm gonna give up. Come on, no about nothing, say.
No, sir. You eat
You
fruit
eat
and
the
get
fruit, but
violent.
sometimes it get violent.
I must not.
How will you eat it? Pop up or something? Don't know.
I'm gonna give up.
Fruit and it get violent.
I can't regular fruit yet.
regular
I'm
fruit.
not
that-
sitting in.
A regular fruit, me a
Tell me the
talk.
fruit.
Who the mind there?
Banana and platinum when them shoot.
Hey, move from me so we
What is
No,
she?
we end this.
What?
Care what I would do, we don't know all the guns.
When they don't she get them wriggle there from.
Where you get that?
So guys, we're now at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. As I did say, I don't know most of the riddles them as well. Until I did that research them. So it's a learning type of video. You get what me I say? So you must know some Jamaican riddles after this. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Oh, before I end this video, we should say it from the first part. We have a lovely guest here. First time when I see, well, two of them, but really one alone a YouTuber. But yeah, we have Nationality.
Hey guys.
You can go over to our channel and subscribe as well. And we have Daniel as well. Daniel, not tell them I. Alright, say
Come like
bye
that, Jack.
guys.
Make clothes from everybody.